Hello everyone, today we'll talking about how to clean these face masks. This also works for gas masks like GB5, half face respirators, but just get off the filters. So today we're gonna try to clean one of these. The reasons you want to clean one of these are like for cosplay and for to use again. Because you don't want if you want to use them for cosplay, your grandma could go shopping and she uses one of this, but she don't want you to use as a good one. So today we're gonna show you how to clean them. It's very easy. We just need some water, and we just need one of these to do, right? Alright, I like these ones. And some liquid soap or some things that you wash your dishes with. Alright, that easy. So, block this, and now with some hot water, fill it up to about when you can fit them. Warm water, not hot, because you don't want to damage the mask itself. So I'm gonna fill it up a bit. Alright, that's enough for these kinds of masks. If you want to use or do a gas mask one, make sure to use a little bit of more water. So now get it bubbly, and just a little bit more. Get it bubbly like this. And put your masks. We happen to have more masks, so I'm gonna put them here. And you wanna do just a little bit of this, right? So you wanna make sure your tap is clean, and you wanna do this a little bit. So if you see here, this is waterproof a bit. So masks, these are waterproof. So we got another mask. So if you can see here, that's why you should wear a mask like these ones, because they're waterproof. As you can see, they hold the water. Okay, RIP. They hold the water, and just as water, it holds the coronavirus from you to protect others from you, and others are gonna protect you if you don't have a theory. So just a little bit of water. A bit. Okay. Now you want to let them sit for about 10 minutes, and then we'll go to the next part. So now you want to find this tap and unload it. So now you want to, with cold water if you want. Alright. Give it a little, to get off the shampoo or the liquid soap. And a little in here. Alright, so this is a quick way to wash your masks. I'm sorry, almost had gas masks. Yeah. Alright, so we have the masks here. So now you want to let them dry. Make sure to not on the straps here. Okay, I forgot how to do this. Right, kind of like this. And they will be dry and safe to use, so you don't catch coronavirus from your grandmama's mouth. I'm sorry. So for this ones, you want to open them like this, and do this, and they're ready to use. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you stick to the end. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Goodbye, see you next time on Bug Basics.